Hey everyone, welcome into the Gargoyles Den. This project is already in progress. I apologize. I didn't think it was going to be that big of a deal. Now that I've started on it, the ideas are starting to flow, and I'm thinking this may be interesting. So let's show you what I got so far. We got a set of guns on the top. This is for Winter in the Wastelands, Alien Invasion by Jim Silva. It's Jim Silva Challenge. So I got the guns here. Then on the bottom, where the wheels used to be, I have an EMP machine. So that's going to be its big weapon. Now, I want to make it to where this recess is somewhat inside, at least halfway, not all the way, but somewhat. So I got to cut this out and put that in, and then we still got a bunch of other guns and such to put on it and attach in different spots. So yeah, let's see where we end up. Now let's go ahead and try and get this. We use the Dremel with the grinding tool. Try and get this all cut out. And that, folks, is why this is a 14 plus channel. Can you imagine a 10-year-old trying to do that? I had a hard enough time doing it. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted it to tuck up under there some. Need to widen that in just to here. It's working. Grab my white marker here. Add a little more here. A little more there. Alrighty. That's about as far as it's going to go. That's a lot better than it was. Alright. So we got those two birds. Let me get some of this dust out of the way. I have to get a different screw for this. I mean, go with the machine bolt nut. Right now it's just barely in there. But yeah, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Alright, let's see here. This one I was thinking, it's a plasma gun. We got bullets up here, we got a plasma gun here, and then we got the EMP underneath as well. So yeah. Touch that right there with some glue. That'd be good. Get our activator, have it ready. Alright, I'm also going to try and clip off part of this. Hopefully I can do it without breaking it too much. Hey! There we go. Now it'll sit against the bottom of the plate a little better. like so. It's amazing how that stuff works instantly. There's our plasma gun. Now we need some stuff on the wings. Got this little bomb of some sort here. Attach it over here somewhere. Thought about attaching it right here over that screw thing. I kind of like that idea. So now I have to drill a hole in it the size of this so they can fit over the top of it. It's kind of fun doing these sometimes. It doesn't take a whole lot of thought process. You just do whatever seems right, and however it comes out is how it comes out. But yeah, when you're thinking of alien invasion, you start thinking of vehicles. What am I going to do with a car or a truck? I'd probably do like an artillery cannon or something on the back of a truck or something, but this just seems like a better idea. I should put the space shuttle to some good use. Alright, what else we got here? Bunch of guns, although we're doing okay. We got the big gun, we got the plasma gun. Maybe you need a couple guns on the back of it to shoot backwards in case they're being chased by anybody. Oh yeah, I had these two I was going to put on too. I was thinking these were going to go up here somewhere. Some more missiles. Let's see here. about right. Alright, fix this. And some paint. And we're good to go. Back in a few minutes for our rebuild. And I did some painting touch-ups in a couple spots. I replaced that bolt with the screw that was up top, and it's all said and done. This is actually a pretty fun build. I didn't think it was going to be worth the video, but I started getting into it, so I decided to go ahead and make one. Hope you guys like it. If so, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff I always say. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.